Welcome back to Keep Language Center, and my name is Teacher Chenna. Today we're gonna learn about two letter sounds. The first one, we will learn about the letter sound, just about the letter sound, not about the letter name F. So follow me, please. We got a story. This is a family, and all of them are at the beach. The children now are playing with the inflatable fish that float on the water. All the children now are making the sandcastle, and you can see that the little girl is putting the flags on 4 towers. Suddenly, they heard the strange noise. The flash has come out of the inflatable fish, and all the air is escaping and make the sound. So we got the action. Let's gently push your hand together and say. For example, fish, fish, fin, flash, soft, flirt. Okay? Alright, now let's move to the next sound. At the second sound, we will learn about the sound B. Just about the sound B, not about the letter name B. So we got the story now. Okay, this is a sunny day and all the many children come to the park to play together. Now they are playing with their friend. The boy comes to play with his friend who has got the bat and the ball. They try to throw the bat to each other and hit it as hard as they can. So when they hit the ball, it makes the noise like b, 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 b. Okay, so we got the action like that. Try to hit the ball. B, 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 b. For example, b, b, bat, b, b, bat, b, b, ball, b, b, beat, sorry, b, b, beep, b, b, rabbit, b, b, crab. Alright, now let's move to the next part for today. It attempt to blend all the letter sounds together. But at the first one, let's review all the letter sound you have learned in group 3. So let's go. The first one we got a sound g, 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 u, b, b. The next one. Now let's try to blend together. We got guard, fin, up, lap, lap, fat, fat, fan, fan, bed, bed, bang, bang, grip, grip, up, wrap, wrap, up, map, map, dog, dog, sleep, sleep, dot, green, green, last, last, up, flap, flap, flap. Alright, that's enough for you today. Try to blend the letters out together. That's right. Thank you.